Hey, good afternoon. It's January 1st, 2009, and we're going to start the year with something fun. We're going to make a simple payment using a Nokia n800 without using the browser. We're going to use RESTful web services, and we're going to do it in just a very few lines of Ruby code. So let's get started. The only two Ruby gems I needed to install on my system for this demo were, of course, the active resource gem, which lets us communicate with the server, and its dependency active support. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is just return some profile information about the person we're going to make a payment to, just to get us started. And we'll be using active resource to communicate, and Insoshi refers to the members as class person, and we have to specify our origin site, and since this information is protected, we have to also specify credentials, or essentially logging in. So we're recognized by the system when we're talking to it. Insoshi lets you use either your email address or your OpenID, and I'm going to use my email address. We're going to escape the @ sign. If I use my OpenID, then I couldn't specify a password, and my password is Beaker for now. I need to change it. If I was logging in with OpenID this way, we would want to use OAuth, and maybe that'll be the subject of the next screencast. So let's specify our server. And now we can return some profile information. So let's do that. And we'll just put everything we know or can know about this person. So send a request to the server, and it returns us the profile information for member number 19, and it doesn't return any private stuff like email or physical address. It's just returning the public stuff. And so we're going to make a payment to Fernanda. So let's do that, and it'll be quite simple. We're going to just use the same stuff here for our exchange class, which we'll be using to make the payment. And what's special about this is there's a has-many relationship between a person and exchange. So whenever we are accessing an exchange, we have to do it in the context of the person who earned the money. So that's how we do it. We say using our RESTful URL naming scheme. Comment this stuff out, and then we'll make a payment. All we need to do is specify an amount, and we'll make this 7 hours. And then who are we going to pay? And then we can just save that. And let's give it a shot. Making a 7-hour payment to Fernanda, and we'll verify it at first by just going to the website, clicking on Fernanda's profile, and scrolling down, and we can see recent exchanges that she's earned. And here's our 7-hour transfer that we did just 11 minutes ago. And we can also list exchanges programmatically, which let's do right now. Oops. All right, let's try this. There we go. Okay, so we want to list all of the exchanges for Fernanda. The syntax is a little peculiar because we have to specify the person, and we're going to do it this way. And then let's, for each exchange, we're going to print out the name of the request the exchange is associated with. Now, normally people, name a request of what they need, and then people bid on it, and then the transaction occurs. Here we're just like, it's a gift exchange, and so that'll be the name of the request, but it's cool to see how we can access the request in any case. Oops. What did I just do? Okay, so let's hope I didn't do anything stupid. So there's the exchange amount, and then the request name. And that's how we can print out exchanges. Let's see if it works. Oops, no it doesn't. Line 20, probably forgot a quote. Yep. Alright, so let's try this one more time. And there should be, I think, 3 exchanges, and these are all demo accounts. What do we got here? We got, looks like I forgot to add the request object. So we can't access the database request object unless we specify it up here like we did for these guys. So again, I'll just use what I did for person and do the same thing. All we have to do is change person to rec here, and our problems will be solved. So, for the win, proof of concept. Should see, I think, a 5, a 3, and a 7. And the names of all the quests will be gift exchange, I think. A little latency here. Don't make me sing the Jeopardy theme. Alright, there we go. So, those are the exchanges under account number 19. So I'd like to hear from you, and maybe suggest what the next screencast should be. This is kind of fun. I'm using Xvidcap on Ubuntu, and I like the results better than what I was using on Windows before. So, yeah, go figure. Hope to hear from you. Thanks. Bye.